All right, guys, I know. Nobody wants to see a commercial, but I gotta do it. They gave me some free stuff. I told them I'd do pictures and videos, so here we are. Enjoying some camping here in Riley Creek Campground in Denali National Park on my motorcycle trip. This stuff is from Uberleben. They are a company out of northern Idaho, Bonners Ferry specifically, which is the town I'm also from, so gotta love that. Hometown products. We've got the stoker stove and the cook pot that for some reason I can't remember the name of. The hexa ferro rod and the tinder wick, a wooden kuksa, and their spoon. And right now I'm making some rice. I'm not that fancy. It came in a package. You just mix water, or heat water, all in one pot. But took about 10 minutes. You set the stove up. It's a flat packing stove. Packs in this little wax canvas bag, and you put sticks in it. That's all it takes. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty easy to get started. I don't have a tripod with me, otherwise I would show you, but it definitely requires two hands. You take your scraping tool and you set a spark onto your tinder wick. First thing you do though is fluff up the end of the tinder wick, get it all nice and spread apart, and it'll take a spark so easy. I wish I had a tripod so I could show you how easy this thing sparks. Takes a spark. And then you set your tinder wick in there to get your sticks started, and before you know it, you're cooking dinner. And there we are, about 12 minutes total. We're eating some dinner. And just for information on the usefulness and durability of this stuff, I'm currently on a motorcycle trip. It is day 16 of 32, and I've been eating on this stuff almost every meal. There have been a few restaurant stops, but for the most part, this is what I've been cooking and eating with, and it performs wonderfully. If you're going on a long trip, probably bring a few refills with you. Other than that, love this stuff.